Good morning, class. My name is Teacher Rachel L. Lorenzo, your subject teacher in science. So, before we proceed to our discussions for today, let us all stand and feel the presence of the Lord. Amen. So, Miss Secretary, may I know who is the absent for today? Okay, very good. So, let's proceed to our discussions. Our topic is all about changes in matter. So, any idea about our topic for today? Okay. Changes in matter. Changes can be classified as either physical or chemical changes. So, we are here the two types of changes, the physical changes and the chemical changes. Physical changes, a substance changes its physical appearance but not its composition. So, the example of our physical changes is the evaporation of water going to liquid to become a gas still composed of changes. So, let's proceed to chemical changes. Chemical changes is essence of chemical reaction. Substances transform into chemically different substances. For example, carbon dioxide in water to form from sugar. This is the plans of using carbon dioxide to form the sugar. So, let's compare the physical and the chemical changes. Here is the chemical changes. Before the wood log, during log getting burned, then the after is new substances that we call pile of ash. So here in chemical, it's just like a recyclable from wood to burning. So the result is going to ash. So a chemical change is a change in which a new product is formed. Okay, let's proceed to physical changes. Physical changes is a change an object's physical properties such as the size, shape, color, texture, state, and etc. So, the example of physical changes is the lemon. Before, whole lemon, then during the lemon getting sliced, then after, same substances. This is the slice of lemon. When the lemon is divided into two slices, they still call a lemon. So that's we call the physical changes. So, class, what changes are taking place in this picture? Okay, very good, very good. This first picture is a physical changes. Why these pictures is a physical changes? It changes as it acquires the ability to flow. However, its composition does not change. This is still water form cube ice. So, the next picture is the wood on wood and the burned wood. So, the burning wood leads to the formation of new substances like ash, carbon dioxide, gas, water, vapor heat, and light. Okay, very good, class. Now, I will give assessment for today. Please bring one whole sheet of paper and answer the questions of multiple choice. So be ready. Okay, question number 1. How are fireworks sample of chemical? Number 1. How are fireworks examples of chemical? A. They are made of chemicals. B. They change color and require energy. C. It is easy to revise the explosion. And D. They is only used for special occasion. I repeat. How are fireworks example of chemical? A. They are made of chemical. B. They change color and require energy. C. It is easy to revise the explosion. Then D. They is only used for special occasion. Please answer the correct answer in your one whole sheet of paper. Now, the correct answer of number 1 is letter B. How are fireworks example of chemical? How are fireworks examples of chemical is they change color and require energy. So, let's proceed to number 2. Question number 2. 5 grams of baking soda and 20 grams of vinegar are added together. A bubbling reaction starts when it's over. The solution weight 24 grams. Y has the weight. Again, 5 grams of baking soda and 20 grams of vinegar are added together. A bubbling reaction starts when it is over. The solution weight 24 grams and Y has the weight. Letter A. A gas has formed and left the mixture. Letter B. The vinegar has evaporate. Letter C. The new solutions was lighter. And D. Baking soda is lighter when dissolved in vinegar. So the correct answer is letter A. A gas has formed and left the mixture. So let's proceed to the last questions of multiple choice. Number 3. The food we eat is nearly always cooked. And why? The food we eat is nearly always cooked, and why? Letter A. It has to be cooked for use as you eat. Letter B. Food cannot be digested if eating raw. Letter C. Cooking makes physical and chemical change in food. Then letter D. Food changes color when it is cooked and looks more appealing. So write the correct answer in your one whole sheet of paper. The correct answer of question number 3 is letter C. Cooking makes physical and chemical changes in food. Now, let's proceed to number 4. What is chemical change? And give at least 3 examples of chemical change. Again, Number 4, what is chemical change, and give at least 3 examples of chemical change. And the last, number 5, what is physical change, and give 3 examples of physical change. Okay, are you done, class? Before we end our discussions for today, I will give you a homework and do it in your house. So your homework is give 3 examples of physical and chemical. Draw it in one whole sheet of bond paper, and be creative of color that you like too. So God bless and good luck to us. This is the end of our discussions for today. Thank you and keep safe always.